Hello guys, my name is Marcus Fermin, and I'm an engineering science major at Borough of Manhattan Community College. Today, we're going to discuss how to solve a system of linear equations. Whenever we're given this type of problems, the first thing that we need to do is look at the two equations that we're given. In this case, we have 5x minus y equals 13 and 3x minus 2y equals 5. The whole idea behind solving a system of linear equations is to find a solution set which satisfy both equations. This is to find a particular value for the variables that we have in both of the equations that make these equations true. In order to solve this particular problem, we're going to use something that is called elimination method, which consists of eliminating one of the variables in the two equations in order to find the other variable. In order to do this, the first thing that we need to decide is which of the variables we're going to eliminate. In this case, we're going to eliminate the x variable. In order to do this, we need to make these coefficients or numbers that are in front of x opposite to each other. To do this with these two equations, we have to multiply the first equation by 3, and we need to multiply the second equation by minus 5. After doing this, we get for the first equation that 3 times 5 is 15x minus 3y equals to 39. For the second equation, we have negative 15x plus 10y is equal to negative 25. So this is basically the new system of equations that we have right now. So plus 15 minus 15, that cancels out because that gives us 0. This right here is plus 10 minus 3y, because whenever we have a minus and a plus, what we do is we subtract and use a sign of the largest number. In this case, this would be 7y. So in this part of the equation, what we have to do is to subtract 25 from 39. So we have 39 minus 25, which is 14. So in order to solve this part, we're going to divide both sides by 7. This part cancels out, and we are left off with y equals to 14 divided by 7, which is y equals to 2. So as we already have the value of y, what we need to do is to find what is the value of x. In order to do this, we can plug the value that we already got for y in any of the original equations. So let's take the second equation, which is 3x minus 2y equals 5, and let's plug in the value of y. So this is 3x minus 2 times 2 equals 5. So we have 3x minus 2 times 2 is 4 equal to 5. So in order to solve this linear equation that we got, we are going to add 4 in both sides of the equation, so that this part cancels out, and this gives us 3x equal to 9. In order to solve this, we divide by 3 in both sides, and this part cancels out, and we are left off with x equals to 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3. So x equals 3. So these are our solutions for the system of linear equations that we have. If we want to prove that this is true, we can plug these values in the equations that we originally have. So we have the following: 5x times 3 minus 2 equals to 13. 5 times 3 is 15 minus 2 equals to 13. If we do the same thing and plug the values of y and x in the second equation, we then have that 3x minus 2y equals 5 is 3 times 3 minus 2 times 2 equals to 5. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 times 2 is 4, and this is equal to 5, which makes both of the equations true. So this is how you solve a system of linear equations. Thanks for watching.